Hi friends, we are continuing to work with the solution design document in process delivery roadmap in BluePrism RPA. So now we are going to see the reusability option, like a reusability in while we are designing a solution. Why should we keep like the reusability option in mind? So because the reusability is a key tenet of the BluePrism RPA delivery methodology. So by carefully designing an objects, wrapper objects and sub-processes, a library of reusable logic can be built up and delivery effort can be reduced and maintenance overheads can be minimized. So objects should be like free of like a business process logic, and object pages should be like small, executing simple and mechanical steps. The function of an object is to provide processes with tools to manipulate an application, and the more generic the object logic is, more like the more likely it can be reused by different processes. So for example, if the first step of a business process of like open medical system, and we have already seen this application and get patient details, then the first instinct may be to create an object page that does not that does just that. So however, if another process begin with like an open medical system and get clinical appointments, then the existing medical system logic could not be reused without changing or retesting the object. A better tactic would be to design a series of pages that each perform the basic step, like launch, login, find patient, read patient details, so etc. Because so here, while we are designing a process, we better to design as much as like a minute pieces in the form in pages. And the way the second process could take advantage of some of the logic created for the first process, example like a launch and login. So by increasing the granularity of an object functionality and having pages that perform like automatic actions like a read, write and like a navigate stages on one screen of the application, the more reusable the object is likely to be. Okay, in general, large objects should also be avoided. Although an object with many pages will function, it can bring like inefficiencies, like a more network bandwidth will be required to transport a large object across the network. So users will commit the whole object into like a PC memory regardless of how fleetingly they use it. Only one developer can work on the object at any time, and as dependencies on a single object grow, the impact of fault in the object affecting multiple processes increases. So to avoid these problems, it is recommended that the application integration logic is separated to a series of small objects rather than concentrated in a single large object. So this approach offers multiple advantages, so lightweight objects consumes less bandwidth, memory and disk space, and a group of objects make it easier for an application integration to be developed by a team, and the potential effect of a corrupted object is minimized. Okay, thank you for watching, and please stay with us for more videos on solution design document in process delivery roadmap. In the next video, we are going to see the case management in solution design document. Thank you for watching. If you really like it, you please subscribe it and you please refer to our friends. Thank you.